All right, guys, check this out. This is our brand new section, Meet the Dancers, and right here we have Julia and Rock. And what I'm gonna do is have them talk a little bit about our dance experience here. All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. Hey, can you guys introduce yourself real quick, a little bit about your background and also probably your dance background as well. Maybe we'll start with Julia.
Okay, hi, I'm Julia. My dance background, I don't have a whole lot. I kind of have just been, like, I know I was always kind of drawn to dancing. I took this class last semester, and
So this is your second time?
yeah, this is my second time taking this class. And then I've done a little bit of dancing before that with like some friends.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. And we got Rock.
Hi, I'm Rock. I'm the owner of Mavericks Fitness. I shoot movement patterns for a living.
And what city is that in?
That's in Santa Cruz, California.
Santa Cruz, California. Yep.
So I'm notoriously bad at everything, and so I was a former fat kid, and I'm not skilled at dance at all. So I'm taking this because I'm really bad at it, and I want to overcome it.
Pretty good.
Yeah, I mean, Rock did hella
I
good.
saw you dancing. You were like rocking it.
Yeah. So okay, let's go back a little bit. So we talked about why we're here. Let's talk about. Can you guys think back to a time, maybe like a dance party or a school dance or something like that, where you kind of have to dance? You know, if you can think back, like what did you do, or if you did anything at all? Not sure. Yeah. So
Yeah.
Rock's at something.
That's all I did. I was the wallflower, but if I was forced to dance, it was the chicken dance.
It was the chicken dance?
If they're gonna embarrass me, I'm gonna embarrass them.
So
Yeah.
can you demonstrate real quick if you don't mind?
Yeah. Do it again?
Yeah. Right. What about you, Julie? Can you think of
Actually,
something?
Yeah, I just remembered. It was my brother's birthday, and they were just like playing music, and so I was just kind of like freestyling, and just I don't even know what I was doing, but my sister-in-law was like, "Hey, you're pretty good at that." So.
All right. Cool. So now let's get into the class. So we've been in class for maybe 3 weeks. This is our 3rd week or 4th week or something like that. Now, if you guys could think of one thing, like the best thing about this class, or the thing you like most about this class, what would it be? Whoever wants to start.
I'd say there's a lot of community and there's a lot of support. Yeah, everybody's just like super supportive of each other, really friendly. It's nice to be able to like watch yourself improve on. So you're just super friendly and super helpful. That's
Awesome. Thanks, Julia.
I like the breakdown of the patterns because that's how I learn. It's just really breaking it down slowly and understanding where I'm supposed to push here. And because big patterns look overwhelming, and
Yeah.
I'm just not good at, like, I get really frustrated. So being able to break it down and go slowly and slowly ramp up,
Yeah.
that really helps.
Cool.
There was another thing I want to add. It's like,
Yeah.
a lot, like sometimes the dance teachers are just kind of push through all the choreography and it's kind of like, oh, pick it up. But with Siege, he kind of like really breaks it down and makes sure that every student understands what they're supposed to be doing, down to like the core details.
Cool. So okay. Anything in that?
And the videos are very helpful because I like to practice outside of class. And
Yes.
so yeah, the videos are super helpful to break down.
Yes. Cool. Okay, so we're gonna end with this. One, maybe I don't know, 1 or 2, whatever tip you may have for anybody that's watching this online that maybe they're too scared to actually physically go into a dance class, or any tip for any future dance students.
Yeah, a lot of people are like super self-conscious about dancing and kind of like super nervous, but
Yeah.
in the class, most people aren't watching each other, they're watching themselves. And if they are watching you, they're not gonna think like, oh, you're so bad at this.
Right.
They're like, maybe they can improve on that, and then they might apply it to whatever they're doing to try to improve. So, like, this is a class with so many different kinds of people. You have beginners and advanced, and you have people who really don't know what they're doing, but they're trying, and that's what really matters. And yeah, just like it's not about how you look to everybody else. It's about how you feel to yourself and what you can accomplish.
Excellent. Rock.
You have to.
Yeah.
So the first step to success is being willing to fail.
Yeah.
And really working hard. Like, I'm terrible at this, but I'm never going to get better, and I've run from it. 38, and I'm ready to get better at things, so I'm just taking them head on. And the other is lions don't concern themselves with the opinion of sheep. So do you want to be a lion or a sheep?
Ooh, that's nice. I like that. I like that. Great tips, guys. Thanks a lot, guys. All right, we're gonna get back to the dance class. Late.
Bye.